Welcome back everyone, and so from this video we will start by building the UI for our app. So let's go to main.storyboard, and I will just menu close this, and I will just okay, it is nice. So basically this is our view controller. So our first step is that we need a top view in which we will display the heading called treehouse blocks. So first I will take a UI view and I will drag it to the top, and let's add constraints. So basically I'm going to add 0 from the left, 0 from top, and 0 from right, and for bottom we are going to give it a fixed height of, let's say, 70 pixels. So I will open up this and say 0 from top, 0 from left, 0 from right, and we are going to give a fixed height of 70, and item of new constraints, and add 4 constraints. And now I will change the color of this view from here. Let's make this color, it's looking nice. So now what we are going to do is we need a heading. So for heading we actually need a label. So I'm going to search for a label, and let's bring it inside. So basically I want the label inside, at the center. So let's hit the second button, and you can choose horizontally in container and vertically in container. So basically what it will do is it will always place the label in the center of the UI view that we have just created. Add two constraints, and let's modify our label. I want the center alignment, and I want the color to be of the text to be white color, and for font, say I want a different font. So custom, and in the family I will choose, let's say, L Neil, and instead of regular let's make it bold, and done. So I will double click the label and change the heading. Let's make it treehouse blogs. Let's say treehouse recent blocks. This is looking nice. Press enter, and the text size is actually small, so let's make it big by clicking the arrow. I think 24 is looking nice. Okay, so we are done with the top view. So now what we have to do is we have to add a table view. So I will just search for table view, and here is the table view. I will drag here, and I will pin it to all sides by 0 because I want it to be a full size. 0 0 0 and 0. Item of new constraints, and add 4 constraints. Okay, so basically the table view is of the full size. Now every table view needs a cell, so we will drag a table view cell. So this is a table view cell. Okay, we have done that. So I think we are done with the first view controller. Now we will go to the second view controller, in which we need a Uiwebview. Okay, so I will go here, and let's search for view controller, and let's drag it inside. So basically this is the second view controller, and let's keep the heading to be same, which is treehouse recent blogs. So I will again need a UI view, and I will add the same constraints that we did for the first one. So let's make it 0 0. Okay, and I will give it a fixed height of, let's say, 70, and I will add the 4 constraints. So let's again change the color to make the same. Okay, now we will need to add a label to it. So this is the label. Now let's pin it to the center by doing horizontally in container and vertically in container, and then items of new constraints, add 2 constraints. So let's center line it and change the color to white, and let's change the font. I think we have chosen L Neil. Okay, L Neil, and it was bold, and the font size was, I think, 22. Okay, let's check, it was 22. Oh, it was 24. Okay, 24, and now I will edit my label. It was treehouse recent blocks, and press enter. Now both the headings are looking same. So basically now what we need is I think, okay, let's do one thing. Let's make this small. Okay, I think 20 is looking good, because what we'll do is we will add a small button here which is called a back button, so that we can also go back to our table view. Okay, so I will just search for a button here, and I will place the button. No, okay, here. Now I will change the text to be back. Okay, instead of blue, let's check if black is looking nice. Okay, I think I need to add an arrow also. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, this is a back button. Now let's add constraints to it. So what I will do is I will make 10 from left, 20 from above, and this, and will make a fixed width and height. Okay, so this is placed well, this is placed well. Let's change the font. Mm, let's make it custom and change it to, let's say, how is this? Oh no, I think I should not change the text, not font. Let's remain as it is. Okay, so I will just reduce the size. Yes, now it's looking nice. So basically we are also done by building the button. Now only thing we need to do is we need to add a web view. So let's drag a web view in here. Okay, let's add constraints to it. It will be 0 0 0 from all the sides, and I will add 4 constraints. Okay, it has done. So we have also made the web view. Now only one thing is left for our UI. We need to build a segue from the first view controller to the second view controller. So I will just control drag from here, and I will do it a show segue. Okay, we are done with it. So I think we are done with the UI. In the next file we will give identifier to the segue and cell, and we will build classes for our view controller as well as the view controller, sorry, table view cell, and also we will make some files where we can store our data. Okay, so I will see you in the next video for continuing this app.